Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today I am making crispy baby corn croquettes for tea. They can be made ahead and are quite a hit at parties. You'll enjoy the recipe. Subscribe for more such recipes and do check out my other videos. Boiled and mashed potatoes, baby corns trimmed to uniform sizes. Keep the thinner ones whole and slit the thicker ones. Season the potato with some salt and pepper, some oregano seasoning or any other dried herbs, some chili flakes. Mix it up nicely. Add in some breadcrumbs just to be sure that it binds well and mix it up once again. Once that is done, keep it aside. Heat some oil in a pan. Add in the baby corn. We just need to cook them very slightly. Season with salt, pepper, some chili flakes and some stir-fry sauce. You could use chili sauce or tomato ketchup as well. We just want a hint of flavor. Toss them around for a minute. They look done. So turn off the heat and let them cool down. Some all-purpose flour. Add some water. Mix it to a smooth paste. Time to make the croquettes. Potato mixture, flatten it out. Place a baby corn right at the center and make sure to cover it with the potato. That looks nice. Roll the formed croquette in some dry all-purpose flour. Remove the excess and keep it aside. Here's another one on camera just for you. This is one recipe that is enjoyed by the young and the old. We need to cover that up. That looks good. Let's get on with the rest. Once they are done and dusted, with flour, we have to crumb coat them. The slurry we had made earlier and some fresh breadcrumbs. This is a brown breadcrumb. So take a croquette and dip it into the slurry. Coat it well. And drop it into the breadcrumbs. Roll it into the breadcrumbs. Make sure that it's coated evenly with the crumbs. That's done. Keep it aside. The next one goes in. Slurry, breadcrumbs, coat evenly, put it aside. Coat the rest of them. Once they are all crumb coated, put them in the fridge and let them rest for at least half an hour. These are for tomorrow. I'll just put on a lid. This is an airtight box and store it in the fridge. Let me just check the oil. I think that's fine. Deep fry the croquette in medium hot oil. Time to turn them over. Turn them over. Nice golden brown color. They look done. Drain them on absorbent paper. Try the recipe. If you like it, share it on social media. Shake them up to get rid of the excess oil. They have turned out really crispy. Let's make a quick dip. Mayonnaise, ketchup and chili flakes. Mix it well and you have a tangy dip. Who doesn't like to bite into a crispy croquette? Serve them hot with a dip or ketchup on the side and enjoy. Remember to click the bell icon when you subscribe.